I'm just down around the back of the church at the minute. Haven't gone inside yet. There's people inside having a wee pray. There's some old stones here. 1828, 1892. I like these ones with the nice little cherub faces. This one's got a nice little cross on it. That's cool. Oh, the graveyard goes down quite a bit here. Yeah. Oh, it goes right down. Right down here. Right. On here. Right. Beautiful wee church. Church of St Andrew. It's quite dark. I've left my light out in the car. But let's have a wee poke around. See where the belfry is up here. Oh, it's dinging. It's making a noise. Oh, look. What's that, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock? I didn't count the dings, but there's lots of them. What's this over here? See that? That's 1952. So when it started. And of course, very dark in here. There's a fund. Oh, I can't see a thing. Memorial. This is in the belfry area. Oh no, this is where they climb up to the belfry. Look at that. Whoop. Straight up there. A lot of plaques here. I can't see, it's so dark. What's that one? There's another one up here. See it? Not really. But a nice big, yeah. There's the bell pulls. Isn't that cool? And looking right up to the other end towards the altar. Look at that. Bernard's. I think it's Preston. We're in a place called not in Preston, but a little village called Preston, near Weymouth. There you go. Look at that for a lovely pulpit. Isn't it gorgeous? Wooden again. Have a wee duke upstairs. There you go. This is what the vicar says. And he looks at his congregation. Look towards the altar. Down the far end. That's cool, it's lovely. Nice. Cool. I've just come down off the pulpit. There's some yay oldie tombstones here. Just gotta watch myself, because there's a bit of fire here under my arm. What's this one? Here lieth the body of James Lytton, whilst there of James Lytton, whilst here did wonderful something cures, both to the rich as well as the poor in and something his medicines, and likewise the cure who departed this life 15th of October, age 66 years in 1730. Now here we go, look. There's the squint. Sorry, I just tripped. There's the squint up to the altar area. And this would have been stairs. They don't go anywhere. They go this side here. Up there. Don't know. Not sure what that would have been. There might have been something along here. And there's no further. Here we got the eagle. Oh, he's looking alright. Isn't he cool? Cool. Nice lectern. Anyways, let's go over here. It's a bit brighter over here. That's a memory of somebody. Can't really see that. To the next one. See that one? Right. Another one here. The church. Right, what's this one? It's a nice one. Sergeant Harold J.J. Guppy, DCM. Distinguished Medal, is it? The first Dorset Yeomanry. There you go. There's only 21 per plugger. It's 1917. Right. Oh, here we go to the organ. There's the organ. Look at that. Nice looking little organ. It's got an inscription on it. This organ was dedicated for the enrichment of the worship of this church and was given by Albert J. Scott of Chalbury Lodge, Preston, 1951. Cool. Right, here's the altar area. Pretty flowers, look. And the real ones. They're kind of looking lovely. Like chrysanthemum. Pretty colours. Nice little wooden cross there. Right, the lectern. The eagle's feet. There we go.